Good afternoon, my ECEAP friends. It's teacher Carolyn. Today I want to talk a little bit more about the sea turtle. Remember we talked a little bit about two different kinds of turtles when we read our last story. There are regular turtles that live around the river or the creek or the pond, and those turtles have claws on the bottom of their feet that they use. But a sea turtle does not. A sea turtle mainly lives in the ocean. A sea turtle has flippers, see? Okay. And a sea turtle can live up to 100 years. That's even longer than most people live. That's a very long time, isn't it? So once Mama Turtle is ready to lay eggs, she'll swim to the shore and she'll dig a hole and then she'll lay her eggs in the sand. She'll cover them up with her flippers and then she'll swim back off out into the ocean and leave the baby eggs. And in about 12 weeks, the babies will start to hatch. They'll hatch out of their eggs. He's still in the egg. Once they're totally out of the egg, they're going to swim back to the ocean and they're going to get in the deep water as quick as they can so that they can get away from anything that might eat them. And then after that, this would be a juvenile. So for about 10 years, this turtle's going to eat things like little fish. He's going to eat plankton, jellyfish. They eat jellyfish. And once he gets big enough, then he's going to, when he looks like this again, he's going to swim back to the shore and dig a hole in the sand and lay eggs again. So they are found all around on the seashores, on the Pacific, the Atlantic, and the Indian Oceans. So we could have them here, right? That would be cool to see, wouldn't it? I wish I could live 100 years. That would be a long, long time. So I have a poem today and it's called Five Little Turtles. So let's count it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little turtles swimming in the lake. One went home with a belly ache. Now how many do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 little turtles swimming all together. This one stopped off to look at a feather. And now we have 1, 2, 3 little turtles having so much fun. One got out to bask in the sun. And now we have 1, 2 little turtles dive and play. One went home and called it a day. Now how many do we have? 1 little turtle, that's right, 1 little turtle. Feeling all alone, he crawled out to rest on a stone. And now we have 0 or none. That's right. All right, so I want to read a story today called Turtle Splash. It's a countdown at the pond, and it was written by Catherine Falwell. Look at those turtles. They are basking in the sun. That's what they call it when they are like what we call sunbathing, basking in the sun. 10 little turtles, timid turtles lounging in a line. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 turtles. Oh, you can't see that very well, can you? Sorry. Startled by a bullfrog. One jumped in. There he goes. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Then there were 9. 9 napping turtles. The day is growing late. A rabbit rustles in the leaves. What do you think is going to happen now? Looky there, you can see. Now there are 8 lazy turtles resting without a care. A red squirrel scampers by. Now what's going to happen? Yep, he's going to jump in the pond, isn't he? 7 still. There are 7. 7 sleepy turtles hear the crunch of sticks. Deer appear beside the shore. Looky there, here he goes. So we had 7. Now how many are we going to have? Now there are 6 6 swimming turtles watching ducklets dive. The mother mallard quacks, and then what's going to happen? There, scared that little turtle. What comes before 6? Then there were 5. 5 idle turtles lolling by the shore, pollywogs swirling by their log. This one here is going to dive in the water. Now there are 4. 4 drowsy turtles, quiet as can be. A butterfly flutters by. There he goes. Leaving only 3. 3 carefree turtles beneath the sky so blue. A chickadee chirps in a tree. So if one more leaves, how many are we going to have? Did you guess 2? Then there were 2. 2 silent turtles watch the setting sun. Mosquitoes buzz above their heads. There's only 2 turtles left. And if one goes away, how many are we going to have? Now there's only one. One lonely turtle in the fading light. Can you see him? On the log, all by himself. Splash! 10 tired turtles settle for the night. So they're all sleeping now, aren't they? So let's count them. Can we count backwards? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sleep tight. The end. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you'll enjoy some more stories about turtles, learn a little bit more about them, where else we might find them besides on the sandy beach of the ocean, because some of them live around the ponds and the lakes, remember? All right, have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.